In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a very different plant than what I did before, and this is called Fockea Edulis or Hottentot Bread. This is a beautiful plant for bonsai, but I have seen this at one of my friend's house and I thought I should buy one too to make it like a nice bonsai shaped plant. I really like bonsai plants too, so this is going to be my beautiful bonsai in few years, but this is a very tiny plant. I'm going to grow it to a bigger size before I put it in a bonsai pot. And this is a very popular super hard cordex plant, and this will eventually form a massive swollen base. As you can see, it is swollen at the moment too, and that can be trained to form to a nice amazing looking bonsai. If you trim all these excess stems out and make it to a shape, it can become a beautiful bonsai in years to come. And this thrive in full sun to partial shade, and it can grow in garden or even in pots. So I'm going to put this in a pot. Don't water this plant in winter, but you can water this all over the summer. And need to fertilize this too, but make sure to use a slow release fertilizer or a seaweed solution. So if you add lots of nitrogen to this plant, it becomes larger without less color, so need to control the fertilizer so it can be a nice good looking plant. It's like a bit of a tuber. It gets swollen in years to come. I can show you it after a few months how it grows, and I will put it in a terracotta pot. Again, using the gritty soil for this plant too, because it needs very good drained soil for this plant. As you can see, it's grown in almost sand. Look at the big root system. You can tell how big it is going to grow if you put it in the ground. So I'm going to cut few roots out from the top so I can get the tuber up a little bit more and put it in the soil. Some pebbles around. Hope you got a clear idea about this plant, and I will show you it in few months time. Thank you for watching. See you next time.